Do you want to make a free birthday banner card? In this video, I'll share with you the SVG and a step-by-step Cricut design space tutorial. And at the end of the video, I'll show a featured blooper. Hi, my name is Kim with Kimagine DIY, where I hope to help you imagine the possibilities with DIYs and crafts. If that sounds like fun, consider subscribing. Now let's just jump into the materials that we will need for this project. So my boyfriend's birthday is in March, and I found this adorable SVG that I can make for him. And one of my favorite aspects is that the banner actually can move, it's free-flowing. So just scroll down and click the SVG file type that you would need for your die cutting machine. Then you're just gonna go over and click the download icon and select direct download. As that's downloading, you can open up Cricut Design Space. Then go to New Project and go over to Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Then select the SVG you just downloaded. Tags are optional, but I recommend them. It helps you search by category within all of your SVG files. Click Save. Now select your SVG and insert your image. Now it's time to customize your card. First, select the SVG and go over to ungroup it. There is an inner and an outer layer for this SVG, but I don't want to cut the inner layer, so I'm just gonna hide that. During your design process, you can hide elements that you don't want to use or have your Cricut cut. And I only ungrouped the little rectangles so I can get a better idea of what color combination I wanted to create. Then I hid the top banner so I can realign and group those rectangles again. To add the score line, you're just going to go to Shapes, click Score Line, and make it the length of your card. And of course, rotate it 90 degrees. Select the card and the score line, go to the Align button and do center to center, and then click Attach. You can also use the Arrange tool so you can set the position for each layer. This is purely just so you can understand your design. It will not affect when you go to click Make It. Since this birthday is a special year, I wanted to personalize it further by adding the giant 30 on it. After searching a bunch of fonts, I finally decided to just choose Cricut Classic. With my project, I'm actually cutting a few different materials: cardstock, vinyl, and adhesive gold foil. Now it's time to make it. Since the first cut is birthday, I need to select the vinyl material. So go to Browse Materials and type in vinyl and select your premium vinyl. Weeding the birthday was very simple and easy since most of the letters are connected. And then you just have to cut a piece of transfer tape or contact paper and just use your brayer to adhere it there, and then that will help you transfer it to the card. For my next mat, I just have to browse materials and select light cardstock. The Cricut only stores one cut setting at a time, so you just have to make sure you set the appropriate cut setting per mat that you load in. My next two cuts are actually going to be the same cut setting, so medium cardstock. Since they're two different colors but the same cut setting, I can put them on the same mat to save some time. Question of the day: what are your favorite types of birthday cards that you like to give? Do you like to give sentimental ones or funny ones? Let me know in the comments below. Now it's time to assemble your card. I used a combination of glue stick and Aleene's, I'm not even sure if I'm saying it right, Aleene's tacky glue to assemble the banner. If you guys are enjoying this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up to help with the YouTube algorithm. Then just fold your card to prep for assemble. At first, I was trying to shortcut this by not using transfer tape for the big 30, but I absolutely needed to. Then I used my brayer to flatten it out, and now it's time to add the birthday vinyl. I used my 16th hole punch for the banner corners and for the card, but you can just use your needle if you want to poke the hole. I also used clear tape to hold the thread down inside the card. Here is the finished design. I love how it came out, the color combinations, and how the banner moves. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next week. With my project, I'm actually cutting a few